Good morning, boys and girls. Today for science, we are in our Exploring Sound workbook, and we're getting towards the end. We only have 2 more activities. We're doing 1 today, and then we will have 1 left next week, and then we will start learning about light, and light is so super fun too. So, this page is a little bit weird that it goes this way. But it says sound can be. So sound can be loud, but it can also be soft. So loud and soft are the volume, okay? High pitched and low pitched. Remember when we talked about high pitch, we were saying that something that's like squeaky or something that like nails on a chalkboard, or like a whistle, or what else did we say was high pitch? Like a phone ringing might be high pitch, and low pitch is like a thud, or like a clap, or someone said a drum. A drum can be low pitch too. And then sound can be heard. So notice that it says paste or staple on the top of each one of these squares. If you turn the page, you do have 2, and that's okay. But you're only going to use half. Try to take it out as best as you can, or maybe if you could cut around the squares. You're going to cut these 6 boxes out. This one you're not going to use for anything. This is just the directions. You're going to put shout, tuba, flute, whisper, and listen in the correct box on this page. So out of these 5 things, which one is loud? Out of these 5 things, which one is soft? Out of these 5, which one is high-pitched? Which one is low-pitched? And then heard. Yep. And which one is heard? Okay? So you're going to cut the pictures out, glue them on top of the correct word, and then you can color them. Okay? Have fun, guys.